Let's talk about cardioversion versus defibrillation. Let's look at the core differences between these two treatments. So first is the shock. Cardioversion is where a synchronized shock is delivered only during R wave of the QRS complex. The keynote here is it's a synchronized shock. And for defibrillation is when an asynchronous shock is given. This is done with an AED, an automated external defibrillator. Again, the keynote here is it's asynchronous. Okay, let's look at the joules, which is also known as the energy used in these treatments. So cardioversion has a lower amount of joules used or a lower amount of energy used in the shock. Where defibrillation, we are using a higher amount of joules or a higher energy when the shock is given. Okay, now for CPR. So cardioversion is not done with CPR. Where defibrillation, CPR is used. You resume CPR immediately after a shock is given in defib. Now let's look at why these different treatments are used. So cardioversion is more for our stable clients. Remember, they must have a QRS complex in order for the synchronized shock to be given. Examples of